beautiful news finally, because there's so much negative stuff in the world. Taking a break from my daily routine, addressing the stolen generation. These are the Australian native people. Okay, Aboriginal, Torres Strait Islanders. It's actually the first Australians. Their land. Stolen generation taking children from their families. I mean, people, we need to remember again, and today there is a form of memory, paying out money, which doesn't solve the problem, but it's actually still beautiful to actually have this problem addressed, because it can remind us all this form of history cannot be repeated. Taking children from their families. I mean, the crimes against humanity that mankind has committed in the history of our planet. But in a weird way, it's actually positive today, because there's a genuine recognition from the Australian government and the leaders of the Australian people. They've actually been welcoming of the attention by the Prime Minister, but again, doesn't heal the wounds of time, but it's a positive, because what happened to these Aboriginal families, Torres Strait Islanders, I repeat, they're actually Australians, the real Australians, first here. She makes my heart and people, it's really nice to actually have some positive news. A matter that was swept under the carpet for years. Again, we are all one. And this is just a beautiful example of some positive news, trying to heal the damage done, and in the fullness of time and afterwards there will be togetherness, because the universe is a big place, but it's just a beautiful thing to address today, and people just keep remembering, because it needs to be remembered with our hearts, and these things, they don't go away, but it's a form of healing, and bless, and remember, love together.